Hi everyone, I'm Nitika. I was looking for a course that is very well structured and interactive. It was amazing. From the very first lecture, I could feel that I have come to the right place. Well, this training has definitely changed the way I look at relationships, and thus I have started becoming more empathetic and neutral. I am pretty confident because whatever Mr. Ashwani Deswal has taught us is very, very valuable. And Sir also made us go through practicals. The life training, it was very interactive. Also, a separate session on how to go about our business, as in how to offer our services to the clients, how much to charge, if a website is necessary or not, and everything that you can think of. The dashboard is also very rich in material. Sir is extremely warm and welcoming, very humble and kind. He loves helping others. Sir would answer to each and every query and tell us how exactly to solve each and every issue. In fact, Sir also gave us one session on how to take our first session as a relationship coach. I would definitely suggest them to contact the relationship team for an initial interview, as Sir chooses his own students. So if they're lucky enough, they will be allowed to study under Mr. Ashwani Deswal. Thank you.